Hey y'all, how y'all doing today?
What up, though?
Before y'all do anything, make sure y'all hit that red subscribe button, like, comment, share this video, comment below what you think of the video, comment below anything else you would like to see us do. So today, from the title, you all know, we'll be doing the B Loves No Utensils challenge.
All
We've
day.
seen a lot of people doing this, so basically the rules are you can't use any utensils, of course, and you cannot wipe your hands with paper towels until you get done with all your food that's on the plate.
So basically, going back to our roots, before we had any utensils or paper towels, you eat. You know how it is.
Going back to the roots.
So that's how we used to do back in the days. Eat with the.
When you grew up, you didn't have no utensils.
I mean, sometimes you had to do what you had to do with what you had.
Oh,
you know.
Okay.
So we're gonna eat spaghetti with mashed potatoes, garlic bread, and a piece of chocolate cake. I'm going in.
I'm not.
I'm going in. Like OG, triple OG, like Ramsey Clan do. That's how we do. So, you see it. You see it.
So, we're going to go ahead and start.
First,
I don't know how this going to go.
No, but first,
Yeah,
she's
we'll
going to go ahead and bless the food. Thank you.
Dear Lord, we thank you for the food we're about to receive and nourish our body and give us every strength. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Okay.
And in 3, 2, 1, we going in.
Okay. Well, the garlic
But see,
is easy though.
But this is how I used to eat growing up.
You're just picking up the mashed potatoes.
This is how it is. And, you know, you clean it off with them.
I mean, it's not nasty, it's just weird. This is weird.
This ain't weird.
Except for the garlic bread, you're supposed to eat that.
This ain't weird.
Right? The garlic bread you already eat with you.
But see, growing up, back where I was from, picture it, Sicily, 1942.
Why do you always do that?
We had to make do with what you had. No, I'm playing. My mama worked hard.
Y'all, we gonna be
We was spoiled
doing
rotten.
like some spicy challenges coming up soon. And some pranks too. Man, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this right here.
I don't need no paper towel.
Curtis, we didn't do a thumbnail.
Oh,
So, no. Maybe we should hold some up with our hands and then surround.
no, we ain't gonna do that. Just do like this.
Pick it up some like this. Okay, that's good.
Now, go back in. Back to the beat.
Oh, man.
Hey, it's gonna happen. But this is how we ate back in, like I said, Sicily, 1942.
Stop doing that.
Doing what?
1942, you weren't even born.
Who said?
You.
I might have been reading cards.
Oh yeah, that made me think about it, y'all. We're gonna do a Q&A so y'all can get to know us. Comment below anything that y'all would like to know. But we also have questions lined up we're gonna answer.
This is easy because this is what I used to do back in the day.
You use back in the day.
Now everybody know.
You using both of your hands? I'm just using
Everybody know.
one.
They used to do this when they couldn't get the last of the food with their spoon or fork they had.
Yeah, you do it with a spoon or fork.
No, when they didn't have it, they scooped it up like this and did like this.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No, sorry.
That's what they did.
We got the spoon, and then you just take the
Stick a pole in.
Huh?
How many people did this back in the day, growing up, when they couldn't get the last of the food with their plate, with their spoon, they scooped it up like that. And
I use a utensil and then use my hand to push it on the utensil. Y'all let me know if y'all used to do that. That's what I used to do. I ain't about to just sit up there and pick it up.
I ain't gonna say something you used to do that you still do.
Yeah, you're right.
I know. I know.
I didn't even think about that.
Mm-hmm, still do it. But,
Oh man, that's what you about to say.
oh man. But, my mama always told me not to eat with my mouth full, so I had to get that chewed up.
But oh yeah, I didn't say it in the first video, but there's gonna be times where y'all just see me. There's gonna be times where y'all just see my husband, or there's gonna be times where y'all see me and someone else, like a family member or something. And the same with my husband. And there's also just gonna be times where, like y'all seen with the second video that I put up on my page, sometimes just with the kids. So I forgot to tell y'all that in the first video.
But yeah, hit us up. Let us know what you want to do next. Let me know. You know, I'm game for it. Yeah. You know, we did one just here recently. What was it called? Being Boozled? Oh. If y'all ain't tried it, don't try it. Them are some of the most worst jelly beans in the world I have ever tasted in my life. Even though I thugged it out and didn't spit out any of the beans, they are horrible.
You did.
That was at the end, and I stuck a handful in my mouth because I'm an OG triple O. That's what I do, and it was horrible. It took everything in me. It stayed in my mouth for a whole day. The flavor, even though I brushed my teeth, I chewed gum.
It was that fish one, y'all. He said that fish one was nasty. I didn't taste that when I tasted the sweet one.
Well,
but
I'm gonna tell y'all right now, if y'all get that dead fish and eat it, you're gonna want to quit after that.
I got a stain on my shirt.
Because you're not gonna want to do any more after that one, because that one there was the worst in the world. You can't chew it, because the more you chew it, the worse it gets. So just swallow it. Trust me.
Just swallow it. They got to chew it. They gonna choke, Curtis.
Just swallow it. I'm telling you, because you chew it. If you chew it, you're gonna regret it. Almost got me. It almost got me just then.
We're gonna be putting up that video before this one though. So y'all be seeing it soon. Or y'all would have already seen it by the time y'all see this one.
Ooh. Oh, round two. I'm in there. I don't need no napkin.
I'm only using one hand. Well, that's
no.
messed up.
I ain't even sure.
Let me see the other hand. That's kind of me. You a pro, huh?
I told you, Sicily, 1942. This is what used to happen. Tough word out there. Forget a utensil. Especially when you didn't want to wash dishes, but you was hungry. You made it do what it do. I mean,
And
how many of y'all, be honest, had a good old mayonnaise sandwich?
No.
Mayonnaise sandwich. Not a sandwich, sandwich. Good old syrup sandwich.
I've never done. I had mayo with cut up banana in it.
I'm talking about 2 slices of bread, some mayo on the side, and going to town. Mayonnaise sandwich. I'm telling you. If you ain't tried it, try it. You don't know what you're missing.
I'll pass.
You don't know what you're missing. Trust me, you don't know what you're missing.
This wasn't that bad, y'all. I really thought it was gonna be worse. But this challenge wasn't that bad.
I told you this is simple, man. That's what I do anyway now.
I don't know how I'm gonna do with this hot stuff that's coming up though, y'all. I'm not really a hot person. I can stand it if it's mild. But this stuff we about to try real hot. So we're gonna have to have the ice, the ice cream. What else they be using? Milk. Y'all tell me which one work better.
Just to let y'all know, cause y'all probably thinking it. I made this, alright?
Oh yeah, he did make it.
I did.
He messed up on the icing a little bit, but he
No,
got
I didn't. She's a hater.
I'm done too, y'all.
She don't never like to give me my credit.
Okay, let me see that paper towel.
I ain't done with my challenge.
No, I'm done with my challenge. Give me it.
We gotta finish at the same time.
Boy, if you don't give me that.
Ramsey clan. We do things together. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't eating that cake with you. You talking about we do things together.
You didn't want a piece.
No, I didn't want no piece. I tried.
But I tell you, it's banging though. Hold on, man. Where your hands been? Where your hands been? I don't know where your hands been.
I want to try with the icing.
I'm banging though. I'll tell you that right down. Hold up, come back with that. Oh my. Oh my. It's good, ain't it?
It's
I know.
good.
I know.
Voice.
If y'all want my recipe, leave
Follow
me a
the
comment.
box.
Leave me a comment. I'll give y'all my secrets. I'm not gonna give y'all all of them, but I'll hit you with a couple. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh my. Oh my.
I ain't even made that much of a mess, y'all. I'm right proud of myself.
Yeah, she make more of a mess with a utensil.
But yeah, y'all should try it. It was the Be Loves Utensils challenge, and we did it. It wasn't even that messy. I thought it was gonna be. You need a paper towel?
No. Because I'm telling you, the way that you clean your hands off when I use paper towel, get your finger in your mouth like this, right? Let me show you. Let me show you.
You talking to me or
Yeah, I'm showing both of you at the same time.
What? Let me see.
So you got to put it in here.
Uh-huh.
You suck it. So you act like you act like you brushing your teeth.
Oh, okay.
See? Got it all off.
You
Look at that.
crazy, yeah.
Look at that. You see that? Another one. Just let us know what you want. We in there. Ramsey clan for life. Always and forever.
Ram Clan, thank y'all for coming back to our channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll be putting out videos every day. I was thinking at least by 8 a.m. Eastern time. Somewhere around there. If anything changed, I'll let y'all know. But that's what I'm aiming for. Somewhere 8 a.m. Eastern time, 5 a.m. Pacific time, by that time. So hopefully, like I said, if anything changed, I will let you all know. So I think we're done.
That's it. Well, till next time, we holler back at you. 2 fingers, 1 hand. We out.
Bye, y'all.